Hey, what's up? Do you have a Facebook account? If you don't have a Facebook account, I recommend you go creating one right now because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Facebook in 2020. Now, most people reach out to me via Facebook, they reach out to me on Instagram, lots of different places. And one particular one was someone said, Andre, can you create a method that shows me how to crush it on Facebook? How you can turn these Facebook groups and make money because there's a lot of Facebook groups out there. And this is not about creating posts and posting or spamming your links all over the place. I'm going to show you a very unique method that you can make money on Facebook and Facebook groups in 2020. And the good thing, you can make $100 per day using this method over and over again. So you can make $100 a day on autopilot. And that's what I'm going to share with you right now. So if you're ready for this, make sure you subscribe, smash that bell notification, and let's jump into the video. Let's do this. So if you're not on Facebook right now and crushing it, you're missing out on a whole lot because Facebook groups is one of the hottest things right now. And it has been the hottest things, but for a period over time, especially in 2020, most people are creating groups because you can get everybody's attention in these groups. And as long as you're providing value, you're going to have raving fans, you're going to have customers buying your products over and over again. So it doesn't matter what niche that you think of out there right now, there's a group that's being created by someone. For example, here's fitness. And if I type in yoga, I can find yoga groups right now. So if I type in on groups, you see lots of different groups around yoga. If I even put, let's say, um, I just did fitness. So let's say if I type in make money online, I can find make money online groups right there. If I type in the word relationship, I can find different relationship groups, right? There's relationship groups. So anything that you are searching for, if I type in fishing as well, you get the idea. There is a group that is already formed and it's out there and people are using it as a place where they can provide value and then people sign up for whatever it is and they make money. So what we're going to be doing is a very unique way that not many people are doing this right now, but I just decided that I want to share this with you because a lot of super affiliates out there, they don't share this. And I want to ensure that you can make money on Facebook, especially the Facebook groups here in 2020. So you can make money by doing this method. So the first thing we want to do is we want to figure out exactly what is something that we want to get as many people in the groups as possible. So we can create a group around fitness. We could create a group around health and wellness. We could create a group about anything. So if you don't know how to create a group, all you have to do is just come on here and where it says manage groups over on this side, you don't have to click on here if you don't want to. But let's say you click on this tab that says create. So when you click on create, you have page, you have add, you have group, and you can click on where it says group. And click on the group. You can name the group anything that you want. I highly recommend you create it around a keyword that you want people to know that, okay, if I'm talking about fitness, this is the group that I'm going to do. So you could type in fitness. And when you type in fitness, then you can add people, maybe a friend, maybe a close relative, just to get in because you need at least one or two people inside of the group for them to do it. You can make it public or you can make it private. For now, I would say do it public because that way you can put tags and people on Facebook will always be searching for this specific group. So once you create the group and everything, then let's say we're going to relate it around fitness. Fitness is what we're going to be doing. So we need a particular product around fitness. So if you go over to this website is called affiliateplus.com. So go to Affiliate Plus and you could find different networks. So there's a lot of different networks. If you come on here, there's different countries that you could choose from, right? So this method that I'm gonna share with you is worldwide. And all you can do, you can go with adults, you can go with any type of niche. and you could choose from. If you want to choose survey, you could do that. If you want to do something about jobs, if it's service, if it's shopping, if it's sports, anything that you want to find on here, you can find it. So once you come on here and you know exactly what affiliate offer or what affiliate network that is that these products are on, right? So you can find it. For example, let's say if I choose Max Bounty and if I want to sign up for Max Bounty is not the only one. So there's heaps of different things that you could sign up for. So sign up for it. If you got some experience, great. If you don't have any experience, I would recommend you said, hey, I learned some stuff from YouTube and I wanted to bring you some traffic using different ways of traffic source. So you don't have to tell them it's a specific Facebook group that you're gonna be getting these people from. As I said, this is not by spamming your links and all over the place. I'm gonna show you a very unique method. And once you come on here, and let's say you find Max Bounty, these are some of the products. You can make $35 from this. You can make $35 from here. $55 you can make from that one. You can make 30, you can make 45. So if you find a product that you want to promote, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to click on it. We want to take a look, see what it looks like. It's very active. It's over a week. You can preview it by clicking on this, and you can see what the page look like. So here it is. It's something like herpes. Ooh, herpes stuff. All right. So that's what it is. So these are some of the countries that is allowed. There's countries that are allowed. There's a performance of the EPC, which is 35 cents. That is very good. And you could scroll down here and you can get more information. Of course, when you sign up to these affiliate networks, they're going to give you more details about this particular product. So we find a product, we discover the product. Now it's time to get people to sign up, because without people signing up, you're not going to be making any money. So after we create the group, the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to set up a Facebook page. So we're going to click on here. We're going to create a page around the brand. So if it's going to be fitness, come up with a great name about fitness. If it's going to be health, come up with something that's going to be health related. If it's a general page where it doesn't matter if it's health, wellness, fishing, anything, just choose a name that you can use, that you can promote anything. So after you create the page by clicking on here, so you can click on here to get started. You can either one of them, it doesn't really matter. Just create the page, name the page, and that's all you have to do. Now, once you do that, we're going to be going over to, we're going to go to Facebook ads, right? So the Facebook ads, that's where we'll be heading. And we're going to do a very, very unique method just by going over to the ads manager. So when we go to the ads manager, after we go over to the ads manager, now it's time to, run some ads. We're going to be running some ads. So now we're here over the ads manager, we're going to create an ad. So the ad that we're going to be creating, and I go into details in the next, and not in the next video, but I created a specific video around Facebook ads. I'm going to leave it at the end of this video, so that way you can check it out. It goes from scratch. I'm just doing a quick little preview of what you're supposed to do. So you create the ad, and then for this particular method, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be doing a campaign. And this campaign, what we're going to do is we're going to do engagement, and it's going to be page likes. So we're going to go with engagement. And then when we find engagement, we're going to go with page likes. So we're going to run the ad for $5, get a lot of people to like the page. And when they like the page, we're going to invite them to the group. So you always want to provide as much value as possible into the group by posting different content. If you don't know where to find content, there's content all over the internet. You can go to Google and you can search for that particular niche, and you can find heaps of content. I wouldn't recommend you post any blogs in the groups, but post pictures, get some information from those blogs, create them. And I would say you want to do this and you want to make a post in the group, I would say every 3 hours. And on the page, I would say every 2 hours. Because once people like this page, guess what? They're going to say, oh, I remember that page. So they're going to be starting to engage on your stuff. You're not going to be doing any promotion on your page, but you're going to be doing your promotion inside of the Facebook group because you have them in your Facebook group. So once you have them in the Facebook group, they're ready to go. So you can select whichever page you want to use, right? Whatever page that you want to use, you could do that. And you're going to scroll down here, choose your audience. Again, check out the Facebook training that I'm going to leave at the end, or I'm going to pin it at the top of one of these cards. And then you could set up your budget, $5 a day. That's all you need. $5 a day if you want to target people in the US. That's you want to do, because in the US it's going to cost a little bit more, not too much. But if you do worldwide, you can get $5, you can get like 1,000 likes, and you don't need that. We're looking for people who's ready to buy, ready to purchase, and all you have to do is just run a page likes to that particular page, invite people to the group, get them in the group, and once they're in the group, then you could provide value. Then you could talk about this. It doesn't have to be herpes, but around health and wellness, it could be diet, it could be brain stimulator, it could be the great brain stimulator, could be belly fat, weight loss, all that type of stuff. When you run your ads, do not run anything in particular about weight loss because they're going to shut down your account. Just say, hey, if you guys, just say, if you're looking for some health and wellness tip for the summer 2020, like this page, and I'll always provide value. So when they like the page, you just invite them to the Facebook group. Once you do that, you're doing what we call a reverse psychology, where you're spending less money and you're gonna make more. So if you spend $5 a day to make 100, that's $95 right there. So all you have to do is just provide as much value as possible. And don't expect that you're gonna run the first day and expect to make $100 the first day. Give it some time, work on it, make it work, provide value, and the more value you give to people, of course, they want to do business with you. So that's all I want to do for this video. I didn't want to take up too much of your time. So I hope this helps, and I'll catch you on the next video. My name is Andre, and I'll catch you later. Peace.